Hello everyone, welcome to Unreal Engine for Beginners tutorial. We are making a dungeon crawler game, and in our last video we made the multiple combo system. So we now not only have our regular combo attacks of our sword, but we can press other keys to add on to the combo that we have for our sword. And also, before we begin with today's lecture, I would like to apologize for not uploading videos more quickly. I'm down with coronavirus and I wasn't really feeling well. And Sorry for the delay, guys. Um, Even now, I'm not that well, so I'll be uploading videos, but I might upload only one video a week for quite some time until I'm at full strength. So sorry for the inconvenience, guys, and let us now begin with the lecture for today. Today we'll be looking at some throwable items, so we can pick up some daggers and then we can either quick throw them or we can hold to aim and then we can release the button to throw the daggers as well. So we'll start with the basic setup today, so let us get started. Also, before we get started with today's lecture, I would like to thank my Patreon for supporting me and my work. This really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And without any further delay, let us get started with today's lecture. So the first thing would be to open up our dungeon crawler folder, and in interactables we will make new pickup types first, and this one would be, let's add a new, this one would be e underscore throwing knives, and let's create a new child class and we'll call it bp underscore daggers. So save all and open this one up, bp daggers, and in the skeletal mesh we'll be using the dagger. We have two of these, dagger 1 and dagger 2, I guess. Yeah, so you can use just one. And what we can do now is make sure in the class defaults, in the interact info, we have it as throwing knives. Skeletal mesh would be daggers, and this one would be throwing knife, just like that. And image, we don't need this right now. So let us go to our bp player, or no, bp player controller, and also let's just see something. That is our base player, this is our bp player. Okay, and yeah, let's go to our player controller. So over here we have a weapon pickup, and this would be something very much similar to the health pickup kind of a thing. So let's see what the logic is for over here. So in the inventory we'll add we'll duplicate the health one and we'll call this throwing knives. Compile, save, and as usual this would be an array of vector, and will make a custom event similar to the potion health and potion pickup. So I'll call it throwable and make sure we have an input, and this one will be the same actor type object reference, and we'll call it current interactable reference. And even we have to duplicate one of these, so control W to duplicate, and we'll call it tk underscore count, throwing knives count. Okay. So if this is less than, again, 5 would be enough, right? 5 of these would be enough. So throwing knives, we can add add it over here like this, and we can then destroy this actor. The logic remains the same, and over here we increment this, and then we can set it over here like this, and that should be our knives count. Not knives count, sorry, knives pickup, just like that. And over here from the false, again we can do the same thing, throwing knives, then we'll go for throwables, and current interactable goes from here, just like that. And let's do something in our player HUD as well. So open up your widget and UI player HUD, and for this we'll have something over here, something similar like this. So I can duplicate this one. I'll call this throwable knives, right? And this one could be over here, it's like this. And we have an image for this. There's a weapon brush for that, so I'll just create a binding for this one as well, I guess. Create a binding. Let's see for the health brush. I can just copy this, Control C and Control V from here, and let's delete that, and unplug this and promote to variable. I will call it throwable knife brush, like that. And for this one we can have the daggers icon. Health, not health count, this one would be tk count, like that. And I can add in a text over here, throwable knife. I can't have it on throwable knife, so yeah, I'll just have it over here. And make sure it's the same as this. Its size is 12. Okay, bold. Okay. Like this, size to content. I can move it over here like this. I can create a binding to this as well, and I will rename this one. This one would be TK brush and TK count. So from the, let's get it over here, and let's get this from here. If it is less than 1, otherwise this. Make sure it's 2. Compile, save, and let's see now. BP daggers, right? So I'll just have 3 of these over here. So let me pick up the daggers, 1, 2, and 3, which is good. So it's working. So let us see. This one is attached over here, and this one should be over here as well. Compile, save, and let's try that again. And yep, there's 3 of them throwable daggers that we have, and we have our sword. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in our next tutorial we will be implementing how to quick throw the knife, and then we will slowly move to hold and aim, and then we will also implement the hold, aim, and throw. Okay, so thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next one.